Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel AI Basics. In today's video we are going to learn how to log in to your Charecter AI. Let's begin. Here you can see, after opening this page, you'll come across this page. Here you can see the option of continue with Apple, continue with Google, continue with email. I'll continue with Google. Here you will see the accounts, Google accounts. I'll tap on one of it. They'll ask you to enter your birth date. Tap on join, then there you go. You have logged into your Charecter. You have created a Charecter AI account. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.